Question 8659 says, refer to figures 66 and 67. What is the trip time corrected for wind under operating conditions Z2? So we can go ahead and highlight our conditions over here of Z2. We have a distance of 650 nautical miles and a 45 knot headwind. So the question is asking us our trip time corrected. Let's go ahead and read this chart. This is pretty easy to read. You're just going to find your distance in this left column, and then you'll highlight that entire row. And it gives you your true airspeed of 433. It gives you your time, 96. It even gives you a fuel burn and a recommended altitude. So now if you go down a little bit, you have your time and fuel correction for wind here, and there's two different equations that they provide for you, one for time and then one for fuel. So we're correcting for the time. And so our calculation is time equals time multiplied by wind component divided by true airspeed. And so we're going to take our time of 96 minutes, and then we're going to multiply that by 45 because that was our wind component, and we'll divide that by 433. And that all together is going to give us 9.9. And you can go ahead and make that 10 knots. So now you have to decide if you're adding or subtracting this from the final time. But we're going to add it today because we have a headwind. So remember that a headwind slows you down. And so that would be adding. And a tailwind speeds you up. So for the time, you'd be subtracting because you're going faster. So we have a headwind, so we'll go ahead and add 10 to 96. So 96 was our original time. We're adding 10 extra minutes, and that's going to give us 106. And our answer choices are in hours and minutes. So I find the easiest way to figure that out is just take 106 minus 60. So that gives me 1 hour right away. I've taken that out. And then that's going to equal 46. So 1 hour and 46 minutes would be my answer. And we look up here, and that is answer choice C. So this is a great chart to get on your test because the answer is here for you on the chart. And then just remember that you have to decide whether or not you're going to add that time or if you would subtract that time based on headwind, tailwind. So if you're unsure about that, maybe make a note on this chart for what you need to do next time you see it.